Everyone. Today, in the first episode of the lockdown series, we are going to learn how to use the abacus. We are going to learn how to identify numbers on the abacus. Here, we have a 17 rod abacus, and the abacus can come in many variations. But the basic principle in all abacus is the same. So, as you can see, we have 5 red beads here, and as most institutions have used, the middle rod is the units rod. Even in this, the middle rod is the units rod. So we are going to learn how to identify numbers now. As you can see, this red bead or this rod is counted as the middle rod, and it is the units rod. This is the tens rod, and this is the hundreds rod. But for identifying numbers, we are only using these two rods because it is just the starting of abacus. Then we'll further go into higher numbers, but now we just need to learn about these two rods. So when any beads touch this bar, it is counted. Here, if we take this bead and let it touch the bar here, it is counted, and now it is counted as 1, as only there is only one bead up. And when we take one more bead up, it is counted as 2, because two beads are touching the bar here. And when we take one more, it is counted as 3, and when we take one more, it is counted as 4. Now, as there are no many beads, so we need to take out all the beads and take the upper bead, and this is counted as 5, because we don't have any more beads here. Which for obtaining 5, we need to take the upper bead and drag it down. So this is counted as 5. Now, if we want to have 6, we need to add one more to this. So if you take this bead and let it touch the bar, it is counted as 6, as 5 plus 1 is 6. And if you add one more to this, it's 5 plus 2, which is 7. If you add one more to this, it's 5 plus 3, 8. If you add one more to this, it's 5 plus 4, 9. Now for obtaining 10, we need to take out all the beads and take the tens rod and use one bead up. Let one bead go up. So this only bead is counted as 10. This is 10. Now let's just recap for this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And as I told you, because there are no more beads, for obtaining 5, we need to take out all the beads and take the upper bead down. Now if you want to get 6, I told you to do plus 1 to this. So it will be 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 plus 4, 9. Now for obtaining 10, we need to take out all these beads and take the tens place bead up. So only one bead, because this only bead is counted as 10. Now if we want to get, now for obtaining 11, we need to do the same thing which we did before. So 10 plus 1, 11, 10 plus 2, 12, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 plus 4, 14. And I told you, for obtaining 5, you need to take out all the beads and take the upper bead. So this is counted as 15. And if you take one more, it will be 16, because 10 plus 5 plus 1, 16. 10 plus 5 plus 2, 17. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 plus 9 is 19. So after this, for obtaining 20, as I told you again, you need to take out all these beads and take one more bead up. So this is counted as 20 now, because two beads are touching the bar and one bead is 10. Now after this, for obtaining for obtaining 30, 40, 50, we need to only take one more bead up. But for obtaining 50, see, if you see 20, 30, 40, for obtaining 50, in this, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, but in this it's 10, 20, 30, 40. For obtaining 5, how we did it? We took out all the beads and took one more bead up. So this is 5. In this 40, we need to take out all these beads and take the upper bead. Now this bead is counted as 50, not 5. It's counted as 50. Okay. Now for obtaining 60, it's like, so 50 plus 10 60. Here remember 5 plus 1 6. So this here also is the same thing, 50 plus 10, but it's only in the tens number, so it's 50 plus 10, so it's 60. So 50 plus 20 is 70, 50 plus 30 is 80, and 50 plus 40 is 90. So here also if you see, you can go till 9. So you can go 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 1 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9. So with these two beats we can go till 99. For getting hundreds place we need to use this beat, but it's not important now. As you can see, for clearing these beats we need to do this, and then go back, take your finger, you see this finger, just keep it above and let's drag it across, so it will be like that. And be careful, don't like keep some beats, don't keep the upper beats down, because it will give you wrong answers. So you need to keep all of them up, and this is for recording purpose we are doing this way, but in the real you need to do in this way. You see, it's like something like graph finger, so you need to use in that way, because it's way more easier for you to do higher calculations. This is just for the recording purpose, because we can't do this and do. So coming to the test part of this session, I'm going to show you a number in the abacus, and please post your answer in the comment section. I'm giving you 5 seconds. I think so you have wrote in the comments down below, and the answer is 71. See, I told you this is 50, this is 60, this is 50 plus 10, so 60, and this is 50 plus 20, so it's 70, and I have only one bead here, so it's 71. Now I'll give you one more number. The answer is 84. See, this is 50, 50 plus 10 is 60, and then there's one more, 50 plus 20 is 70, and 50 plus 30 is 80. So this is 80, and there's 1 2 3 4 here, so it's 84. And give one more. This answer is 56. I told you this is 50, and this is 5, and there's one more, so 50 plus 5 plus 1, so it's 56. Okay, what is this? I think so it will be a bit easy for you. The answer is 34. See, this is 10, 20, 30, and this is 1 2 3 4, so 34. Okay, last one. The answer is 86. 50, 60, 70, 80. So this whole thing is 80, and this is 5 plus 1, so 6, so 86. Thank you. I hope you understand this session. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.